Hi, it's Crafty Carol from Crafty Carol's Cards here now with a little preview of the most gorgeous kit that's just come out from Stampin' Up. And it's called the Nourish and Flourish kit, although Nourish and the H is just missing from the S there. Nourish and Flourish though, I think. And I'll show you all the cards that you make. There's 9 cards you get with all the stuff in the kit, plus there's bits left over. But you also get, and this may be a bit big to get in, but you get this gorgeous bag. It comes as part of the kit, a little insulated bag, which is really rather nice, with some the same flowers on that's in the kit. So I'm not sure you could see that very well because it is a bit big to try and get into this shot, because I've got it fairly close in because I want you to see all the details. So the kit comes with all the bits you need to make these 9 cards, and let's have a look. It comes with all the instructions to make all the different cards, pages of the instructions, and a summary of what's in the kit, which I'm going to show you now. So there are 3 different cards, and each of them have matching envelopes. So the envelopes are beautiful, which you could decorate yourself a bit more if you wanted. And one of the cards has this rather nice, I don't know, sort of, what are they? Rhomboids? I don't know. It's a rather nice design though, embossed design. All of the cards are embossed. So there's that sort of rhomboidal crisscrossy design, which is rather nice. Then we have a petal pink one with a lovely, I don't know what these things are called, but you can see the embossed design there. They're just really nice, subtle embossings. And this one, it's got a nice, with the lighter green envelopes, and this has got a nice sort of leaf design there. And there's enough in here. Those are the cards, obviously, that I haven't made up yet, but I am going to. What else do you get with it? Well, you get all sorts of sticky bits. So you've got a set of dimensionals, so you've got plenty of those. You have loads and loads of little sticky dots, and you have some gorgeous little gems. They all come with the set. You also get, I'll show you these, sheets and sheets of sentiments. So you've got English and German, and you also have French and Dutch. And you think, well, I wouldn't use all of those, so why would I want the French and the Dutch? Well, the answer is that actually you can use them. You can use them and cut a smaller shape just to go and cover the language you don't want. Again, you can cut that shape, matches one of our punches. Same with this. Cut the shapes round, use these as templates, and then cut them, say, I don't know, about ½ centimetre smaller, and you still get the beautiful outline of this. So you can use even these ones that have the other language on, which I rather like. So all of those, let's put those away. Then you get all sorts of lovely sheets of all of the gorgeous bits to make up the cards. So all sorts of flower bits, and each sheet makes 3 cards, 3 different cards. So you've got enough for the 9 cards there. And then you've got the various other bits you put on top of the cards. Again, 3 for each type of card. So let me show you the cards you make with this. This is the first one. This is just saying hello. I've got 2 envelopes there, I'm not sure why. I only need 1 envelope. There we go. So you can see this is using the leaf embossed, and it's put a banner across the middle, the just saying hello. Again, you can choose and mix and match the sentiments and mix and match the sets just as you want. You could do what you like with them, but this is actually as it says. Then pushing out all of these little bits, so there's no cutting or anything, just using everything that's in the kit to put it together, and then adding some little gems just to make it look beautiful. So that's the first card you can make. The second one is this one. I'm just so lucky to know you. Again, lots of push out bits, sticky bits on to go on the embossed base, the sentiment in the middle, and a few little gems just to add around the edge. That gives you the second card. And the third card is this one. Now, I've actually used a German greeting here because I have a friend who's German, and that's where it's going. So I hope she's not watching the video before she gets the card, which she won't, I don't think. So again, we've got the embossed background, you've got the edging strip, you've got the bits cut out, a few odd little gems dotted around, and again, a beautiful little card. So you've got these 3 gorgeous cards you can make from this kit. Let's just try and get them all in shot, something like that. Oh, I'm not showing this one very well, am I? Let's try that again. There we go, and all the envelopes to match it. It's a beautiful kit, Nourish and Flourish. If you'd like me to be your demonstrator and get it through me, I'd be very grateful. Otherwise, obviously go to your local demonstrator and find them. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, you'll see all the videos I make, and have a look at my website where you'll find this video and many, many more on all sorts of different subjects of all the different cards I've made over time. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. This is Crafty Carol signing off for today.